Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change a theme on Discord. So this is my current theme on Discord, and if you want to change how it looks, how your Discord looks, you can use the theme. So by going to the U options and click on the gear icon at the top right corner, you can just scroll down, and under the appearance in here there will be this theme option. So you can see the current settings is automatic, and if you want to make it looks more cute, for example, you can just click on this to see more options of a theme that you can select it. So these are some of the Discord theme. So you can see there are lots of options, but again, if you want to use it, you need to get the Discord Nitro, so you need to pay for it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.